Hey guys, today is an exciting video because Webull is releasing crypto trading to the public very soon. Depending on when they let me post this review, it might already be available to the public. Webull's crypto program should be available to everyone on the 19th, but feel free to check for yourself with the link in the description of this video. And if you are new to Webull, you will be eligible for up to 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each after downloading the app and funding your new trading account. Webull has sponsored me to create this video and even given me exclusive access to Webull's new crypto trading features that will soon be rolled out to all Webull users on November 19th just so I could make this video. Cryptocurrency has become a huge discussion in 2020, but most people don't really know much about what cryptocurrency is, how they work, or where they can actually purchase it. When you better understand how it works, you can start to see various ways it can be used in the future to improve upon how businesses and consumers conduct safe transactions. Cryptocurrencies are, in a nutshell, peer-to-peer electric cash systems. What I mean by this is instead of having a bank or centralized entity that verifies transactions, cryptocurrencies instead rely on their users or peers' computers to verify transactions. This process of verifying transactions is referred to as mining and incentivizes users to help verify transactions with their own computers by gifting them cryptocurrency. This allows cryptocurrencies to remain decentralized digital cash systems that require no government interference. Historically, citizens have trusted fiat or traditional paper currencies of their own countries because their dollars are backed by their government and supported by the banks. However, as history has shown, even governments and banks sometimes fail. For this reason, many people have invested into cryptocurrencies, and I suspect as people become more and more distrustful of their governments and banks, they will also see the investment opportunity in decentralized digital currencies that can be traded by everyone around the world without being tied to a government's entity that controls transactions. Webull was most recently voted the best mobile investment app in 2020 for beginners, according to Benzinga. Webull allows users to trade stocks, options, and ETFs completely commission-free, so it was really only a question of when will Webull release crypto trading to the public, and what will it be like to trade cryptocurrency on Webull, as many users are curious as to how they will trade crypto with their Webull brokerage account. You might be asking, why trade crypto on Webull when there are already plenty of different cryptocurrency exchanges on the internet? I believe that the many different benefits of being able to trade cryptocurrency on Webull will appeal to many investors and possibly outweigh the benefits offered from other cryptocurrency exchanges that are currently out there on the internet. In addition to the convenience of being able to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptos all from one account, there are plenty of other advantages to trading crypto on Webull. With a $1 minimum deposit, users may trade cryptos 24/7 with free access to real-time data including 8 charts and 50+ indicators to help analyze the market on highly customizable trading layouts that users can access from mobile devices or desktops. Users can also talk with others in the community tab, and if they need help, the Help Center is open 24/7 for timely support. Users can even set up 2-factor authentication for logging into their accounts, and most importantly, when you're using Webull, you know that your account is going to be safe and secure. Once Webull rolls cryptocurrency trading out to the public, Webull users will be able to easily access crypto trading from their individual brokerage accounts for free. According to Webull's official trading rules for crypto trading, there is no charge to open and maintain an Apex account. The crypto account will be accessed via your existing Webull account, so no new login information is required. I can verify that the process of enrolling my account in Webull's new crypto trading program was quick and easy enough. The enrollment process was as simple as making sure my Webull app was updated to the latest version, and then I opened up my Webull app and hit the Webull icon. The Webull icon is the middle circle icon on the bottom row. Then just click the More box that's towards the bottom right of the screen. Now you should see an icon with the title Crypto Trading underneath the account section. Simply click the Crypto Trading button, read the agreement, and that's all it takes to enroll your account in Webull's new crypto trading program. Now we'll get into some of the frequently asked questions. Starting with number 1. Are there any fees or charges for trading cryptocurrency? Like I mentioned earlier, all cryptocurrency data is real-time and provided to users free of charge. No minimum account equity or balance is required to trade crypto, and there are no fees. I learned that there is an automatic 100 BPS markup that is built into the price of crypto you are buying/selling. A BPS, or basis point, is just a small unit of measurement for financial percentages. 1% change equals 100 BPS, and 0.01% equals 1 BPS. Another commonly asked question is, what cryptocurrencies can be traded with Webull? And as of right now, only Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin can be bought and sold. But don't worry though, Webull has informed me that access to more cryptocurrencies is in the works. And interestingly enough, Webull's app currently lets users track the values of many more cryptocurrencies, so it seems to be only a matter of time before users will be able to trade even more cryptocurrencies on their Webull app. Most of you are probably curious as to what are the trading hours that users can trade cryptocurrency with Webull. And right now, Webull users will be able to trade cryptocurrencies 7 days a week with the exception of a routine maintenance from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. During this time, users just can't trade cryptocurrency, and any pending orders at 5:30 p.m. that haven't yet been fulfilled will just be canceled. I know some of you are probably curious as to what different order types are currently supported for purchasing crypto on Webull, and Webull currently supports market orders and limit orders. A market order allows investors to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at its best available price. If the cost varies and the order is not filled within 5 seconds, it will be canceled to help protect investors from market volatility. Whereas a limit order allows investors to set a limit for the maximum price they're willing to buy for or the minimum price they're willing to sell for. Limit orders help investors lock down costs and profits, but they aren't guaranteed to be filled. For anyone wondering, does Webull do fractional quantities? Yes. You do not have to buy full coins. Investors can place orders to buy or sell cryptocurrencies at fractional amounts. For anyone wondering if investors can place crypto buy orders in US dollars on Webull, I want to assure you that yes, Webull makes purchasing crypto very simple. Webull investors can buy crypto by choosing either a specific amount of US dollars or a specific amount of their desired crypto. What orders does Webull's crypto program support? Currently, Webull's crypto program supports day orders and IOC orders. Day orders are orders to buy or sell a security that expire automatically if they are still pending at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. IOC orders are immediate or cancel orders that investors can use to specify how long their order remains active in the market if the order is not immediately filled. Next, I'll go over the crypto order limitations on Webull. Number 1, single trades are limited to $10,000. Number 2, total pending orders on the buy side are capped at $20,000. Number 3, the minimum US dollar amount for a single trade is $1, whereas the minimum fractional amount of cryptocurrency for a single trade is 0.00000001. Number 4, investors cannot place orders in dollar amounts to close crypto positions. And finally, number 5, short selling is not available for crypto trading. For anyone wondering where they may access their tax documents, if you sold cryptocurrencies with Webull, you can easily access your crypto trading related tax documents in the Webull mobile app. Simply navigate to the Webull icon, then More, then Tax Document. Alternatively, you may access these documents through the Webull website at webull.com/edocs. I know there's someone else out there wondering about Webull's crypto day trade limit, and I know you'll find this interesting as well. Apparently, cryptocurrencies are considered as non-marginable securities, so the pattern day trader rule does not apply. This means Webull investors are able to trade crypto as often as they like. Personally, I've now had access to crypto trading on Webull for almost 2 weeks now, and so far I haven't experienced a single problem. I was excited to be able to access crypto trading on Webull, and I'm super grateful they sponsored me to create this video. If you would like to trade stocks, options, ETFs, and now also cryptos completely commission-free, definitely check out Webull. For a limited time, my link in the description of this video will give all new users 4 free stocks for opening an account and making an initial deposit of $100 or more. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped or you're interested in more videos about making, managing, or investing money, please leave a like and subscribe for more.